In today's video, we're sharing Mia's inspiring journey from frustration to growth as she learns to embrace life's difficulties, just like learning English. Stick around at the end of the video because I will teach you the words in yellow. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Mia. She had always been curious and eager to learn new things, but recently life had thrown many challenges her way. Mia found herself frustrated and feeling stuck. No matter how hard she tried, things didn't seem to go her way. She began to think that maybe life wasn't fair, and she even started to resent the difficult situations she was facing. One day, while taking a walk to clear her mind, Mia met an elderly man sitting on a bench by the park. He was reading a book, and the smile on his face caught her attention. Mia couldn't help but ask, "How are you so happy? Life is so difficult sometimes." The man closed his book, still smiling, and said, "I wasn't always this happy. In fact, I used to hate life, just like you seem to be feeling now." Mia was surprised. "What changed for you?" she asked. He replied, "I realized that life doesn't become better by avoiding challenges or hating what I don't understand. It improves when I learn to appreciate each moment, especially the hard ones. Those challenges are what teach us, help us grow, and make us stronger. Learning English, for example, can feel difficult, but every new word or phrase is like a step on the path to greater understanding. Each mistake is part of the process." Mia thought about his words. She had been focusing on everything going wrong instead of seeing how much she had already learned and grown. The man continued, "Life is like learning a new language. At first it's confusing, and you might feel like giving up. But with patience, persistence, and a positive mindset, you'll see progress, and one day you'll realize that those tough moments are the reason you succeeded." From that day on, Mia decided to look at life differently. Instead of hating the challenges, she embraced them. She approached learning English the same way, with patience and a positive attitude. Slowly but surely, her skills improved, and more importantly, she began to enjoy the process. She realized that life, like learning, isn't about being perfect. It's about making progress, appreciating each step, and trusting that the journey itself is the reward. Stuck, unable to move forward or make progress. Example, I feel stuck with my English studies because I don't know how to improve. Resent, to feel angry or bitter about something. Example, she began to resent the extra work her boss gave her without a raise. Persistence, the quality of continuing to try, even when it's difficult. Example, his persistence in practicing English every day helped him become fluent. Embrace, to accept something willingly or with enthusiasm. Example, instead of fearing failure, she decided to embrace the challenges of learning a new language. Approach, the way someone deals with a situation or problem. Example, his approach to studying was very organized, with a plan for each day. Attitude, the way you think and feel about something. Example, her positive attitude made it easier for her to learn from mistakes. Slowly but surely, gradually with steady progress over time. Example, he improved his speaking skills slowly but surely, practicing a little every day. Thanks for watching. Continue learning by watching this video.